Seeing is way better than reading, don't you think? Let's explore together. Hey everyone, it's Nancy. Today's adventure brings us to the Historic Gardens in Annapolis Royal. So we're gonna see what it looks like. I know it's winter, but hey, it might be a nice walk, and it's free by donation this time of year. So yeah, let's go and see what we can find. And that's that. There's actually a ton of growth and green and berries and life in the garden this winter. And I can't imagine what it'll be like in the summer. So head on down here any time of year. I mean, Nova Scotia is best to travel in every season and see each place 4 different times because it keeps changing and looks different. So thanks for coming along, and until next time, happy adventures.